You won't believe this. This guy actually used a CD and 2 syringes to invent a power generator. It easily lights up a bright white bulb, illuminating the whole village at night. As long as Earth doesn't explode, this thing will keep running. He grabs a long spoke from a bike hub and a flat cork drilled with a hole. He threads the spoke through the cork, centers it perfectly, and secures it with glue. Then he takes 2 inappropriate CDs and glues them together. He applies glue to one side of the cork and attaches the CD assembly to it, tight and firm. Next, he folds 2 steel wires just like in the video. Fold them exactly as shown. Now take the long steel wire and bend it twice at 90 degrees. Fold it again as shown. Then once more. Repeat the same process for the other end to match the design in the video. Then take out the plunger rod from a syringe and saw off the rubber tip. Grab 2 large round magnets and 4 small neodymium magnets. Stick 2 small magnets to the top of the plunger rod. Then glue the large magnet to the bottom of the syringe barrel. Important tip: the magnets on the plunger and syringe must repel each other. Don't get the magnetic poles wrong, or the whole setup will fail. Get that wrong and it's game over. Now for the assembly of all parts. Run the steel wire through 2 wooden planks with holes to act as supports. Secure them to a wooden base. Mount the mini generator to the wooden platform. Connect the drive shaft to one end of the steel wire, then secure the whole setup onto the board. Next, carefully align and mark the mounting spot. Attach the stand. After connecting the plunger rod and wire, adjust the syringe position to find the sweet spot for magnetic repulsion. Then secure the stand. Repeat the same method for the second syringe. Glue and secure all stands firmly, just like that. The generator setup is complete. With a light push of his hand, the machine comes alive instantly. Nothing can stop its spinning energy. Add a little lubricant to the stand joints, and it spins smoother than ever. Hook it up to a white bulb, and boom, it lights up instantly. This proves the experiment was a success. So, what do you think of this homemade generator? Out of 10, how many points would you give it? If you like this invention, give us a thumbs up and follow. See you in the next video.